How to manage interactions on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage interactions on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find this three lines in the top corner, click on it and go down, click settings, and here you will find activity log, click on it. And now all you need to do is just to find manage interactions and click on it. And as you see here, you can manage your interactions, and that's it. It's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.